Got your hands on a per file for your Pfaff embroidery machine and ready to stitch? This format is specific to Pfaff's premium embroidery systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through using per files with your embroidery setup. Don't close the guide if the PER file doesn't open right away. We have an unconventional, high-success rate method designed for deep format errors. A PER file is a design file format used by Pfaff and Husqvarna Viking embroidery machines. It contains stitch data, color information, and positioning instructions that guide the machine's needle to create a specific pattern on fabric. Users create, purchase, or download these files for their sewing projects. The PER format is a proprietary binary file containing vector-based stitch commands. It's designed to be compact and machine-readable, storing precise instructions for needle movements, thread color changes, and stitch types. This low-level data structure ensures the embroidery machine can accurately replicate the digital design. This PER file is handled by the industry-standard tool, Premiere Plus Embroidery Software from SVP Worldwide. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows can show file icons but not design details, so proper access requires embroidery applications. We're checking for file recognition by all compatible apps. Right-click your PER file and click Open With. If Premiere Plus Embroidery Software is an option, try it. If it fails, select another program. We must find the right software association. If your PER file isn't cooperating, don't worry. This is a truly stubborn PER file. To find the error source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, loading on Pfaff machines. Transfer the PER file to your Pfaff embroidery machine via USB drive embroidery card or direct cable connection, depending on machine model. Insert the storage device into the machine port and use the embroidery menu to navigate to and select the PER design for stitching with proper hoop and thread setup. Next, editing the design. Open PER files in Pfaff Premiere Plus, embroidery software, or Pfaff Creative Design Creator for editing capabilities including resizing, recoloring, rotating, and combining designs. The software preserves Pfaff-specific machine commands while allowing creative customization. Save edited designs back to PER format for machine transfer. Finally, converting to other formats. Use Wilcom TrueSizer, Embird, or Embrilliance to convert per files to other embroidery formats like PS, DST, EXP, or JEF for use with different machine brands. The free Wilcom TrueSizer handles basic format conversion while preserving stitch quality color information and design integrity during cross-platform transfer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.